Wow, thank you for
coming.
How you doing?
Yes, thank you. Good.
Look at this place. It's amazing. I love this.
We call it the treehouse.
My name is Jessica, and this is my husband, Eric. And we live here in Rogers, right on Beaver Lake. We bought this house because we really wanted something on the water.
The house is 3 stories. Its bones are very mid-century modern, and we both love that. We refer to it as a treehouse because the top floor is in the trees, and you can actually see the birds fly beneath you when you're up on the top floor.
It was built in the late 60s and is quite camouflaged.
Speaking of camouflage, I can't see the front door.
Yes, it's in a weird spot.
Do you like having it hidden?
I don't like it. You don't know where you're going, and as you can see with the driveway, there's not a good way to veer in.
A little awkward with these rocks.
Yeah, when people come up, they have to tumble across these steps to a handrail that is to my knees. I can put my foot through there. So, I mean, this is 3 stories above the ground.
There are a lot of things that just aren't up to code and are poorly redone.
We do have a 3.5-year-old, and it's just not safe. I mean, I've fallen carrying her in a carrier, and
it's scary.
Scared me half to death.
Yeah, definitely. Safety is first and foremost.
Thank you.
Okay, so the plan out here, rebuild the entire deck structure. We'll actually move it so that it enters in the front of the house here, right when you drive up. It'll give you better curb appeal. We'll have new lighting, and then we'll also work on this entrance where people drive in, make it much more welcoming and inviting.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, this is amazing.
Super cool.
So beautiful.
When was this built again?
Late 60s. Check out the intercom.
Oh, that's awesome.
We love the weirdness of the house. We are attracted to weird. So, hence, we got married.
Yes.
Just kidding.
It kind of reminds me of a Frank Lloyd Wright house.
We're told that the architect was a student of Wright.
Cool.
I love this ceiling.
Okay,
I
good.
absolutely
too.
love it. It's very
So
interesting.
These lights are in a strange spot, so I think we would need to move them over the island.
Yes.
I don't love the way that they redid the kitchen. For example, these cabinets are just kind of rickety.
Okay.
I would like it to look a little more fabulous, and I am not afraid of color.
Okay, I like that.
There's not really a good place to sit down and have a meal
That's
with
what I was
family.
gonna say. Is this dining?
This is dining?
Yes.
Yes, we fold that out and it's very cramped.
Yeah.
And then this rail that doesn't match anything in the
Yeah,
house.
it's very heavy.
So that's
If there's any way to put a bathroom upstairs, that would be nice.
Come over here. I have an idea. So you don't need this door.
yes.
This could be a powder bath right here.
Yeah. We've got water right here, so I could get a drain easily.
Yes.
That would be phenomenal.
Okay, all right. What about this deck out here?
We would like to use it, but the bugs out here are
So bad.
Yes.
This already has a roof. Could we close this in and this becomes a new dining room?
There's a foundation below it. So this is actually a roof then. It's more than a deck. We could definitely close it in.
Okay, that would be amazing because then you have this space entirely for the kitchen and then you have an actual dining space where you can sit and you don't have to move furniture.
That would be amazing.
Okay.
So the plan for the kitchen and dining spaces are, first of all, we're gonna update the flooring.
Yes, please.
And we will update all your cabinets, all your countertops, appliances, everything. We'll move the pendant lights above the island. We'll add a powder bath next to the kitchen. We'll also update this handrail. And then we will close in this little deck and make this your new dining room. And we'll have updated flooring, new windows, keep the fireplace, but make it more mid-century modern to match the architecture of the house. Okay?
I love it.
Okay. All right, so should we go downstairs now?
Yes.
Is that next?
All right.
Okay.
Please watch your step. The bedroom's down here.
This is nice. I love the ceiling.
Yes.
But we don't love the paneling.
I was gonna ask.
Sheetrocking it?
Yeah.
Or...
Ooh, yeah, I would love that.
Yeah, you would? Okay, good.
So this is what we're calling the main bedroom.
Yes.
Okay, but there's no bathroom here.
That's the kicker.
Well, I saw when we came down this other bedroom here, if we keep that as the bedroom and then, I mean, we could make this into a really nice bathroom / closet.
So we're on the main floor, and then there's one, and then the upstairs. So there's bedrooms in the second floor.
Yes.
And that's
Yes.
enough where we could create a bathroom out of this bedroom?
I would love that.
That would
Okay.
be great.
Okay, so the plan for the main suite is to actually create an ensuite. We'll close off the door right in the hallway. We will sheetrock in the bedroom, paint the walls to brighten it up, but leave the ceiling exposed. Then we'll create a nice walk-in closet and a main bathroom with double vanities and a shower.
Sounds great.
Okay, yay. All right, what else?
Okay, we've got one more space
Oh,
outside.
Okay.
Okay, and so
Oh.
out here we've got a lot of unused
beautiful.
space. I would love a deck, something large where we can entertain.
Sure. Is this where you want to have a grill station down
I would
here?
definitely love some way to grill out here. And we would kind of like if people park back here and they're leaving or something, you know, then they don't even have to go through the house.
Or
Yeah.
friends coming off the water. There's a lot of friends that come up.
That is so unique to lake life. Friends are just popping by, not on your front porch, but on your,
Coming in the backyard.
I love
Yeah.
that.
Through the backyard. Today, construction is beginning. Matt, Derek, hey. All right, so we're taking all the cabinets right out on the deck, and then we will take them down.
Everybody needs to be careful. That deck is very slippery. And then getting rid of the little fireplace, that's not a big deal. But the biggest thing I want to do is cut out this new front door.
And then we're taking all the carpeting out, all the tiles coming out. Downstairs, we want to take all the paneling off for the main suite. Let's do it.
What's on these floors?
Let's start with carpet.
That's tongue and groove pine.
Awesome. 2-inch thick tongue and groove pine. I grew up with this exact floor, Matt and I did. And it's original.
As long as the tongue and groove is in good condition, we can salvage it. It will be really pretty once this is all sanded down. It will also save us money, which I love. But
There's always a but.
we just have to know what's under the tile, because if it's not in good condition under there, it's not gonna work.
Oh, look at that.
So we have flooring. That's awesome.
We're 2 months into this project, and we're getting things knocked out at the Danielson house. Inside, we framed out the whole dining room. It looks great. So no more 3-story drop to worry about. We have the whole floor exposed, and it's looking really good. And we're gonna remove these posts that break up the space. Downstairs, we are putting in the sheetrock in the main suite. And we started plumbing in the new main bathroom.
It's going to be great. They're going to love it. On the outside, this back deck area is going to be such an improvement.
So we've got a lot going on at the Danielson house. We have most of the framing done. On the outside deck,
We have drywall on the walls.
Watch it fit.
The walnut cabinets are coming in, and the old cabinets are kind of falling apart, and now it's time to upgrade.
we have finished pretty much all the cement backer for Jenny's tile. And the tile guys are going to town in the main bath as well. It's a lot of tiles.
This is the tile.
Little tiles.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a fair. We're just doing a really clean, modern, matte, black tile all along the wall. Here, can you put 3 on top?
Yep. The electric fireplace is here. It provides heat and is safe. We spent extra time to save these original pine floors. And we were able to replace all the windows so it's energy efficient, not just that single pane of glass.
And quartz countertops that are going into the kitchen and bathroom. They're coming in. They're going to give the Danielsons years of beauty and durability. On the outside, this back deck is going to be such an improvement.
We're using composite decking, and they're not gonna have to worry about it for many decades.
The glass for the new shower is here. I want to see these cabinets.
Look at that.
pretty.
Love it.
The new powder bath next to the kitchen is getting a beautiful wallpaper. The matte tile is just so bold on this wall. Lighting fixtures are going in.
We've got railing going up around the new decks, and we finally got the breeze block in for this grill surround. That's gonna be awesome.
Okay, here we go.
Awesome. I'm actually a little nervous.
I'm not nervous, I'm pumped. Here we go.
Hello.
The front door is where it's supposed to be.
I know.
Thank you so
Good to see you.
much.
Good to see you.
That door is beautiful.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Wow.
Derek and Dave built the door.
Yep.
So it's one of a kind.
Solid ash.
Oh my gosh.
Now you actually know where to enter.
love the front walkway.
Good.
Blown
Much
away.
better, much easier access to the house as well.
Yes.
And
Yes,
it's
you have
safe.
parking and it's
And it's
safe.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh my gosh.
Wow.
Holy smokes.
Jess, take a look.
No.
Wow. Floors are gorgeous.
Good.
Oh my God.
These are the original floors. This was under the carpet.
I'm blown away.
Oh,
This railing, the dining room. Wow.
you don't have to.
Go. Yeah, I know. Do you like the fireplace?
Don't know where to start.
Yeah, start there.
Start there.
Start.
This is better than I ever imagined.
Yeah.
Good. I'm so glad. So I wanted this to be like a bold moment with the tile all the way on this wall, and it feels just so appropriate for this house.
Does that put off heat or anything?
Yes.
But
And it won't
you
catch
can't
on fire?
burn yourself.
Yes.
It's safe.
Wow.
You have a little one, and
Oh
we
gosh. Oh yeah. Oh my.
The railing.
Oh my gosh. It looks so much better.
This is a complete game changer.
Absolutely perfect. Look at this island.
Beautiful.
Look at it. It's red.
Yay!
It's red.
I love this range.
Oh my gosh.
It's perfect for this house. It feels really appropriate to the architecture as well.
So cool.
All walnut cabinets.
Walnut cabinetry, and we did the flat panel front, so it feels very mid-century.
Golly. And I love that the woods aren't like too matchy-matchy.
Just really clean backsplash so that the dark of the walnut really stands out. And then you have a nice contrast with the cedar above as well.
Yes.
We were able to refinish them, and then I went with a really fun green color.
The green really still gives it that outside feel.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. And Dave built this dining table for you guys.
I did, yep. So
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
we thought something that kind of has a modern look, a whitewash feel, and it would fill the space nicely.
Wow. Thank you.
We know you guys were talking about having Thanksgiving dinners here, so we picture that happening
Absolutely.
here around this table.
I can't wait.
We replaced all of the glass. I know that was a big issue too. So it's all insulated, double pane
Yes.
glass.
Okay.
And we were able to remove 3 of the poles that were throughout the house.
This used to be our weird front door. It's a bathroom! I love it.
wallpaper.
This is perfect. Now our guests don't have to go downstairs. They can stay upstairs.
Exactly. That's a big deal.
The wallpaper and those fixtures are gorgeous.
Yay, I'm so glad. I love this wallpaper.
It is so much fun.
It's still lakey, but modern.
It's so nice to have it right here.
Our parents will be very happy.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, there's
There's
more.
more. Let's
Should
go
we
downstairs?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Following
following
you.
guys.
Okay.
Love the rail.
I'm glad.
Babe.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Can't believe it.
Oh my gosh.
The color with the wood of the
It's
ceiling
so
is
rich
gorgeous.
looking. This looks perfect.
Love the fixtures.
Yeah, it's beautiful lighting.
We added sconces because we didn't want to put can lights into this beautiful ceiling.
Yes.
Absolutely.
The dark green also, with the contrast of the wood ceiling, feels just like a natural extension of outside,
Yes.
which this house is.
Love that. Oh my gosh. I've never wanted a closet so
Wow.
much in my life, and this is, it's perfect. We can walk in it.
Exactly.
Yes.
Turn. Oh my gosh.
Now you have a lot more space for storage.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. But I love the tile where it's kind of like
yeah.
a river rock a little
Yes.
bit to go with the
Yes.
lake feel.
It is.
And this tile is perfect.
Gorgeous.
I love the gold and the green.
Yay.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Absolutely
The window for some natural light.
perfect. Oh, Eric, you're gonna die.
Oh,
Oh.
my goodness.
Oh my,
Wow.
Elizabeth's gonna die.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
That's for Elizabeth.
Oh,
wow.
she's gonna be so excited. That is so cool.
This is what I envisioned. This is sort of a dream come true.
Good.
Oh my goodness, babe.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. It's brand new.
Gorgeous.
Holy smokes. I love.
Yeah, this
Do
is
you like
really,
those?
this is really cool.
Isn't that cool? Those breeze blocks kind of feels a little Palm Springs-esque.
Yes.
I'm blown away. It's perfect. Beyond what I've imagined.
Thank you guys so much.
Absolutely.
I literally.
Absolutely.
You are so welcome.
Dave and Jenny knocked it out of the park. This is what I wanted. I just didn't know it.
Enjoy your home, guys.
We will. Thank
Fun.
you
I
so
love
much.
it so much.
Bye.
You guys, bye. Come back anytime.
Okay.
We actually took away a lot of the things that had been added over the years, and you can just tell they really appreciated that.
Elizabeth.
I love it.
Look at it.
The attention to detail, too. I mean, just there's a lot of little things. And the custom pieces, the front door and the dining table.
Mom, here's your favorite part.
No kidding. I love the wallpaper.
Me too.
From a safety standpoint, I feel a lot more comfortable having a daughter here than what was here previously.
Absolutely. Look at your swing.